The grandbaby's gonna be real happy and joyful. May the Most High bless you all on this day. For me, it's all about, for the grandbabies today. For real. I got a couple of things over there I'm gonna be unboxing. They got more than enough, you know? Again, y'all gotta excuse me, I just woke up. My voice kind of hoarse. But again, salute to everyone. And may the Most High bless you all on this day. If you choose to celebrate this, or if you're not, that's on you. I'm just doing this for the kids, man. My grandbabies. Making sure they wake up with something. And yeah, I got some too. I'm just gonna crack it open real quick. It's like 6 something in the morning. They'll be up in a minute. For real. I'm pretty sure this is my last video for this year. Got some mirrors on my truck. Side rear view mirrors. And man, they a little heavy. Big Blue gonna like this, Big Blue gonna like this, yeah. Yep. Got one more. Got some Adidas Grinch. Yeah. Adidas Grinch. Pull out a box. Ooh, that's dope. That's dope. L&L kicks. Give me a little letter on the back. It's pretty dope. That's the Easter shoe cuffs. Grinch. Yeah. See what the shoe looking like. Adidas, brand new. And these are nice. Smell good too. Smell real good. I like the material on here, man. That fluffy, like suede. Can you see it? Color of the Grinch. These are from last year. You know, they got a new one out. I don't care for those. They white, red, and got a little hints of green on it. I like this one right here. This is the one. Let's see what the other one looking like. Got the Grinch on the paper. Yeah. Here's the belt. Got the Grinch in there. Yeah, buddy. Well, there you have it, family. Like I said, this is my last video for the year. I'll catch you guys next year, 2024. Y'all stay up, stay safe, and peace.